Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete reviews posted by me. Begin by launching your web browser on your PC. Navigate to Google Maps by entering the address in your browser search bar. Once on Google Maps, search for and select the restaurant, hotel, or bakery for which you want to remove the review. Within the establishment's details, locate and click on the review section. In the review section, you will see options to rate the establishment based on food, service, and atmosphere. Click on each category to give your star ratings. Next, express your thoughts by writing a review in the provided text box. After completing your review, click on the post button to share it. Now, find your recently posted review and locate the 3 vertical dots next to your comment. Click on the 3 vertical dots to reveal a menu of additional options. Among these, find and click on Delete Review. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Delete once again to confirm that you want to remove your review. Now your feedback is deleted and you won't see it linked to the place anymore. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.